everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn words of long sound EA. EA sound E. E A T eat T E A T P E A P S E A C S E A L seal M E A T meat E A S T east H E A L heel S T E A L steel W E A K beak P E A K peak B E A K beak L E A N lean B E A N bean T E A M team R E A D read R E A P reap H E A T heat M E A L meal L E A P leap N E A T neat B E A C H beach R E A C H reach T E A C H teach S E A T seat T R E A T treat W H E A T, beat. P E A K, peak. S P E A K, speak. E A C H, each. I hope you will like this video.